From Chicago. It's early morning here, getting ready for the day, and I just want to give you 5 quick tips on how to make people in your team feel more appreciated. Andy Kelly, CEO Sundial Consulting here in Chicago. This is a really important one. If your people feel more appreciated and they feel safer, they feel happier, they're going to be higher performing. They're going to be higher performing as individuals, and they're going to be higher performing as team members. So this is a very worthwhile investment for you as a leader. Firstly, you need to care. Do you actually care about your people? I've met leaders that don't, and it becomes very hard from them from there on. Look inside yourself, and do you think about others? Do you care about others? And if not, you need to try and find a way that you can. Even if you just can think about it logically. I've seen people that are very logical, reasonable folk, and they don't really invest in their feelings and emotions and empathy and compassion. But when they realise logically it will help them and it will help the business, they start to like it. They start to see it as a benefit, and actually over time they start to actually care. So that's really important. People will see that in you. People can tell if you care about them or not. That's the first one. Number 2, give them quality time. Right, that's really hard. Right, everyone's busy in the whirlwind of their business these days, and it's so hard. But it's a priority. You have to get quality time with your people to get the most out of them. I've never really, or I rarely hear from people saying they don't get enough time with their boss. The only time that happens is when they have a weak leader, right? Somebody who's self-centered, narcissistic, control freak, micromanager, lacks integrity, lacks social skills. If that's you, I respectfully would say go and watch some of our other videos about leadership skills and then look at this one. But typically people want more time with their boss. If you can build the team that you need around you to allow you to let go of some of the things that you're holding on to, that will give you more time to spend quality time with your people. Some of that conversation will be about the job and the tasks in hand. Some of it should just be about coaching them and helping them with their development. And some of it should just be shooting the breeze and hanging out. Okay, number 3, see them. See them doing something good and appreciate it and show them authentically, okay? Watch your people closely. When they're showing the behaviors that you're looking for, the behaviors that are going to help you meet your vision and your strategy and your plan and your number, call it out. Call it out specifically and authentically. And I tell you what, they'll light up like a Christmas tree, and they'll run 100 miles for you. I know that was certainly the case for me personally. My boss saw me doing something well. It gave me extra energy, it gave me extra motivation to go the extra mile the next day. And try and encourage it amongst the team. Doesn't just the responsibility doesn't just lie with you, it also relies with members of the team. So let's help them give each other feedback and see each other in action. Number 4, hang out with the team and create a kind of high-performing team environment. Socialize together, get to know each other, build an environment of trust. If your people trust each other, they'll feel safer. If they feel safer, they feel more appreciated. So spend time on investing in your team where people can start to create that psychological safety, where they can hang out, they can talk to each other, they can give each other feedback and feel happier at work and more appreciated. And then finally, involve them. Number 5, involve them in what you're doing and what you're thinking. Crowdsource your strategy. Go to them when you've got big decisions to make and get their advice. They'll feel super appreciated that you're actually even just listening to them. You don't have to go the way they say. You know, it's your decision, you're the boss. But involve them in your thinking and your strategies. Bring them into some of your tough decisions, and they'll feel super appreciated. Okay? So firstly, number 1, you need to care about them. Number 2, you need to spend time with them. Number 3, you need to see them and appreciate them. Number 4, create a team environment where they can feel safe and glued. And number 5, bring them in close and help them to feel value, that they're adding value to the vision and to the strategy and the journey you're on as a team. There you go. Thanks for listening. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas on this subject and how you help your people feel more appreciated. But for now, it's Andy Kelly, CEO, Sundial Consulting, Chicago. Goodbye. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please share it with your friends and let us know with a like or a comment. But more importantly, please subscribe on the button below. And also, if you really don't want to miss out on any of our great insights from me and my team, please also click the little bell. Okay, we look forward to speaking to you soon. For now, Andy Kelly, Sundial Consulting. Thank you.